Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades, and I've bought some altcoins that I posted on X in the last few hours. I bought Doge and I bought World. I'm going to show you in the technicals. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 1087. I bought some altcoins, so you can see what I'm holding here. The last 7 days, I'm still down about 80k on the week. Up a lot in the recent times. 102k of MCRT. I've got almost all cash. Doge, I bought 20k just a few hours ago, and World, I bought 10k. And Bitcoin is having a little bit of a pump right now. All my orders, you can see all my orders that I have down. I think Fomc, now a lot of people are going to be waiting for the Fomc to see what that says. Let's go into the technicals. We're getting a little bit of a bounce back on altcoins. Uni up 7%, World 5%, Doge 3%, Ethereum a little bit, Bitcoin a little bit as well, 102,600. Let's go into the 4 hourly. I did the weekly this morning. 4 hourly, we've got stochastic is heading up very quickly. Stochastic heading up strong. We still have this pattern, and you can see this symmetrical pattern kind of here on Bitcoin. We had a symmetrical pattern, built pressure, and then it broke down. And now here we have another pattern forming on Bitcoin, another kind of symmetrical triangle. But let's go close and see. On the bigger time frame, we have this big descending triangle on the 4 hourly, huge, and on the daily, big descending triangle. Usually these build pressure, and break out like that to the upside. Let's on the stochastic heading up on the 4 hourly. Let's go close on the hourly. And on the hourly, we've got, if the pattern plays out the same as before, we have this drop coming to 94.4k. There is a big support on 97k, and that matches up with this descending triangle. Now, if the FOMC releases the results and they cut interest rates, then we're going to have a pump on Bitcoin, and we'll push out of this symmetrical triangle like that. If the FOMC doesn't cut rates, then we're going to fall, and I think it'll be a quick spike to 97 and then a very quick bounce. 98 also has a very strong support. I would say 98, most likely we don't come under 98, to be honest. There's too much support there. 98,700. I've got trades on Bitcoin at 91, 93, 97, 400, and I'm going to put 98, 500. I'll put 2.5 Bitcoin at 98,500. Let's see if it, or actually let's go stronger there. 4 Bitcoin at 98,500, open long. 98,400, 4 Bitcoin, 20k, value will be 394,000. So I've got at 98,500, 4, actually let's go 2 and then add if it goes down, because there'll be so much panic. But I think it'll be a quick, 3. I think it'll be a quick bounce if it does do it. Bitcoin 91, Bitcoin 93, Bitcoin 97,400, Ethereum 2,000. Let's go into Ethereum technicals. So I set that trade there. So this Bitcoin trade will open at 98,500. So I've got it there. If we pull back that much and take profit, I take it to 110. But we have a chance now of breaking out Bitcoin. So that's the only thing. It does look like it's kind of more poised to break out a little bit. It looks more like a rising triangle than a symmetrical triangle a little bit. But I'm going to see what the FOMC does, because on the daily and the 4 hourly, we have this descending wedge on the bigger time frames. And they're usually like that. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 3134. Also big descending triangle on Ethereum. The best place to enter on this triangle, if it plays out, would be 2,900. So it does look like there is going to be some FOMC spike down, but Ethereum is also primed to have a breakout. This big symmetrical triangle brings pressure and breaks out. So it's almost ready, 70% of the move. So we're getting ready to break out. Does it have one more pullback to 2,900 is the question. It depends on what they decide on the FOMC. It's going to be quite a show, this one today, because it's going to decide a lot. We also have symmetrical triangle on the hourly. Target 2.9 or 3.3 would be for this breakout. On Ethereum, I've got trades on Ethereum at 2.1, 2.7, and I want to put one at 2.900. I've got 100 Ethereum at 2.1, 30 Ethereum at 2.7, and I want to do 30 Ethereum at 2.9. Ethereum 2.9, 30 Ethereum, 4,000. I'll do 60 Ethereum. Actually, if we do get a spike down, I think it will be a quick bounce if there is a bad Fomc. So I'm going to do 100 Ethereum at 2,900. So I've got those trades set up, and you can see where I've been buying and selling. Where I bought Ethereum a few days ago, where I sold it, still in a bit of a loss. And then we dropped from there, and we haven't recovered from there. Same with Bitcoin. This is where you can see my Bitcoin trades, where I sold Bitcoin at 103, bought it at 97, sold it at 103, and now we're back at 102,500. And I have no active trades right now, and just these altcoins. That's my updates in the market. Also join us in Telegram. There's 893 of you online trading together every night and all the time. Join them. There's a lot of people. Learn from their charts. Take the crypto masterclass, the stock guru masterclass. He drew the same thing as me. Pretty much it's all dependent on the FOMC meeting. This one is going to be a big one, so pay attention. And go on X as well. You can see where I post. I've got 100,500 followers. This is where I've got beautiful. This guy's taking the crypto masterclass, which is amazing. I bought 10k of World 1 hour ago. We'll DCA down to $1.20. Bitcoin TA, this is what I just showed you now. Bought 20k of Doge 5 hours ago. So follow me on X so you can get in these trades early as well. All the links are down below underneath the video. 60k bonus on Bybit, main exchange I trade for, lowest fees, best liquidity. I use it a lot for trading. Weex, $200 sign up, USA, UK bonus on sign up, and KYC free. Bitunix, also worldwide exchange, KYC 3, 5,500 bonus, and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and the Telegram. Let's see how the FOMC does. Today is a big one. If they announce that the rates will cut, we'll get a mega pump. Because then the money's cheaper for people to go. They've been squeezing everyone for the last 2 years with massive rates to tame inflation. If they increase the rates or hold the rates, then the market will drop. It will activate all my trades. I'm leaning towards they're going to keep the rates steady because they're still worried about inflation, but Trump will be pushing Powell and the Fed to cut the rates. So it's going to be quite an interesting one. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.